I'm Zemianek, and this is JZVacationRentals. I used to say that my rock bottom story was at 18 when I was searching my couch for change to eat, and now I've learned that that was just one of many valleys. The pandemic in March 2020 was brutal for everybody. That was a shock that none of us were ready for. I geared up for a call that I was going to have with my team. In my office, they were all remote, and I spent the entire night trying to rehearse. I was going to tell them that I lost, like we were defeated, and I didn't know how to pay them the next couple days. Payroll was coming. And the miracle that happened after that, to my surprise, my team unanimously was like, "And what are you saying? You're quitting?" I'm like, "No, I'm not quitting. What do you mean? Like, I'm here, but I just want to be honest with you guys. I don't know how else to tell you." And they all very quickly were like, "Well, we're not done, Alex. Like, we got this. Have you seen unemployment? We'll just volunteer. Can we volunteer? Are you gonna kick?" I'm like, "All right, guys, I'm confused. Are you messing with me?" But it was real, and it was a moment I did not expect. I had prepared myself for that defeat. I was immediately re-inspired. I was praying. I'm in tears. I'm confused. I didn't know what just happened, but got right to work. And sure enough, we got a PPP, payroll protection plan approved that day. So my takeaway from a leadership standpoint is pick the right people to go to battle with, because if a war comes again or a pandemic comes again, I know the team I'm going into it with. And I think we forget sometimes how important that is. We care about each other personally. We care about each other professionally, and we're there and through a lot of those thick and thins and valleys, not just here as a brand, but outside of work as well. And so I think obviously properties and all of that stuff will come. All of that is a part of it, but if you have the right team, you have the right foundation, everything else will come along the way.